Bienvenidos aquí al canal de Sasso Moto. Hopefully all you guys are doing great. Today is, what is it, Tuesday? Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, April 19th. It is your boy's birthday. So I took the entire week off from work. We're gonna go meet up a few of the folks from Florida Moto Riders. We're gonna go meet up with them today over on the east side of Orlando. I figured, you know what better way to do this than to go out and have myself a ride and just enjoy my birthday. Let's go ahead and do a cold start real quick and get on the way. Damn, that sounds so good. Each and every time it sounds so good. Yeah, so I'm just so ready. I think that's my guy for the Osceola Grassman. That's gonna be dope. He caught me right when I'm vlogging. Oh, you got your ear. You got your. No, you're good. You're good. You're good. Yeah.
I like that. I keep you from getting
yeah.
Road rash.
Yeah. Well, it doesn't protect your arms, but I'm not trying to go crazy either. Today's my birthday, bro. So I'm gonna go right out.
Today's your birthday.
Yeah. Thank you, man. I'm gonna take. I took the entire week off. Now I'm gonna go meet up with the fellows from the Florida Moto Riders. If anybody is here in the St. Cloud area, this is his information. Cool guy, really, he does an amazing job with my lawn. I had a few patches that came up out of nowhere, don't know what it was. He went ahead and fixed it. So it's Osceola Grassman Entertainment Inc., landscape and pressure washing. He does all of that. 321-443-4466. Give this man a holler. So that way, and here's his business cards. So if you guys want to give him a holler, go ahead. I'll put all this in the link in the description so you can give this man a holler. All right, my man, take care. Yeah, we'll do, man. You too. Thank you. There we go, baby. Let's go. Listen to that. So yeah, today's my birthday. I'm running a little bit late as usual. Let me stop here because all you guys always make fun of me. You never stop at the stop sign, Pete. You always blow through the stop sign. Why stop, damn it, okay? Man, it is gorgeous out today, boy. But anyways, yep, today's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, PD. Happy birthday, I can find neutral. Neutral. There you go. Happy birthday to me. Yay! So we're gonna head up the turnpike in a minute. I'm gonna cut off the footage here once we reach our destination. I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, you guys, we are here with Florida Moto Riders. We got the crew right over there. This man is like the newest member of the crew. He's riding what is this? ZX Slow 36? 636. A Slow 36? Huh? You said a slow 36? Oh, we got the matching shoes and everything. This bike looks really, really good. Looks good. And you got Miss Purple Queen over here on the Gixxer 600. What year is this? 04 or 05?
What? It's 04.
04, yep. That's the same bike I used to have. I love this bike. I have a special place in my heart for it.
Your legs right now.
This man worried about his ashy legs. You be alright. Ain't nobody gonna look at your legs, bro. You good? Yeah. All right. So we're gonna go hit up some spots that my man over here is gonna guide us to. He knows all the good spots, so we're about to go get it. Shout out to this brother right here. I'm the only one with the GoPro. What happened to your GoPro? Motorcycle that got me started. Started riding this thing when I was like back in 04. I'm explaining. This was my first motorcycle. First one, back in 2004, yep. Love that bike, I love it. It's an amazing motorcycle. It holds a big place in my heart, it does. So, but the full story behind this motorcycle was the fact that when I purchased it, I was married, and I never told the wife I purchased this bike. I don't know what happened. I walked into the dealership, I sat on it. They said, let's run your credit. I was like, nah, we're good. He ended up convincing me to run the credit. He said, okay, the bike's yours. We'll have it prepped for you tomorrow. Come pick it up. And I was dumbfounded at how quick everything happened. I got home and I was like, oh my God, I just purchased a bike. How did I just purchase a whole motorcycle? I had to now be really extra good to my wife at the time. When she got home from work, I had to ask her, I was like, hey baby, do you want something to eat? And then she just said, you know, what did you do? she pulled that card out real quick. What did you do? And I had to explain to her that I purchased that bike. Well, not this one particularly, but I purchased a motorcycle like that back in 04, brand new off the showroom floor. And yeah, she got pissed at me for a while. So, well, that bike actually holds a special place in my heart. Woo. We doing pause? Ooh, what? What? You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. You're kidding me. Look, my man is calling the cows and they're following. Are you serious? What? Please tell me I'm capturing this on the GoPro. Yes, I am. Oh my God. That is insane. Oh my gosh, that's insane. I can't believe I caught that. That is hilarious. Yo, that's great. That's great. He was calling them and they literally started following. Like, I don't understand. Is it the sound of the engine, or is it that he comes here so often that he knows the bulls? My man, this dude, bro. So explain to me, is it the sound of the crossplane that called them over, or do you come here often enough that they know to follow you? Get out of here, bro.
Bro, you didn't see my last video? I posted a video once already of that. Every time they hear my freaking crossplane, they come chasing me.
Oh, that's funny. I can't, bro. This man is hilarious. I absolutely love him. Oh man, this dude. Yo, I love the crew I ride with, man. These people are just insane. They love doing all kinds of stuff. That's like the inner kid, man. The bikes, they bring the inner kid out. Oh, he broke down. You okay?
Yeah, my gas is full. I think it doesn't touch it. I think it's loose on here. It looks crazy.
Oh, what, the wiring disconnected?
Yeah, somehow it get loose. Yes, I think one of these.
Oh, here's the wiring.
Yeah.
It's super loose. This should be a little bit tighter.
Like one of these.
Yeah, look. This throttle is super duper loose. Look at that. Yeah?
It's like I can see it loose down here, I think. One of those loose.
Yeah, all the way here.
All the way in there. Yeah, you're going to need a tool to get in there.
Yeah. I appreciate you that turn around.
Yeah, man. We'll make sure you're okay, man.
Yeah, thanks.
All right, brother.
Thanks a lot, man.
Definitely.
Home? Huh? Yeah, my friend's coming. They probably got to push it over there. So.
Awesome. You want to push it over there to make sure you?
I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, brother.
Appreciate you guys for stopping by.
No problem, man. Oh, that wrap was dope. All right, so you can have a better understanding of what I did. So this is where the old exhaust used to sit at. So that nut was just sitting there doing nothing, holding on to nothing. So I moved it over here into this bracket, and so it's just perfect. It's a little long, but fuck it, it's holding. That's what I care about. So we can come up, boy, King in. Let's see his face. We blocked his entire driveway. Yeah. Hey! Let's go!
Where am I supposed to park? I'm like, rain, what the fuck are you talking about? What's going on? What park?
Just park in the grass.
Nope.
Yeah, baby, let's go. Look at that.
Nope.
All of our bikes parked right there. That was a nice little surprise.
Family guy.
All right, what is going on, you guys? We're back here again, and we are having our last ride for the day, for the birthday boy. So, welcome back, Osceola Moto family. Let's go. Let's go. I'm ready. Oh, shoot. It is cold. It's brisk. Yeah, so this is the final ride. Oh goodness, it is cold. Yeah. Oh man, the pops on that R1 is ridiculous. All right, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. It has been an amazing ride, riding out with Central Florida Moto Riders. We rode from like 11 o'clock this morning. We were at it all day long. We rode all the way until now. What is it? It's currently 9:32 at night. I'm headed home now. So we rode all day long for my birthday. It's been an amazing day. I had a blast. Thank you guys for tuning in to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.